Hello guys, welcome back. So MIUI 13, the next iteration of Xiaomi's in-house skin, is on its way. Xiaomi announced that it will stop distributing the weekly developer ROM of MIUI 12.5 on December 13th. So the next upgrade will be that of the new MIUI interface. Yes, we are talking about MIUI 13, which will become available by the end of this month. Obviously, the upgrade for each model will start at different times. Now the upcoming MIUI 13 update will include multiple improvements such as new ways to play video in small window mode, new desktop icons, memory fusion technology, layered rendering system animation, new fonts, new sound effects, new touch experience, and much more. The company is also said to be bringing a new super wallpaper tool which will be integrated into MIUI 13, where users can develop their own super wallpapers. MIUI 13 will also allow any Xiaomi device, be it a Redmi, Poco or Mi phone, to have an additional 3 GB of RAM on top of the physical RAM on the phone. This will particularly be helpful for older phones. But the question remains, which phones will get this update? Well, we have a list of phones that are expected to get the new MIUI 13 update. Note that this is an unofficial list made by Xiaomi UI and based on Xiaomi's information policy. Also do remember MIUI 13 is based on two versions, Android 11 and Android 12. So if you had any doubt that only Android 12 would get an update, well, it's not. Both Android 11 and 12 are getting it. The oldest phone getting this update are from 2019, and that includes Xiaomi Mi 9, Redmi K20 and Redmi Note 8 lineups. Now I'm not gonna tell you which models will get this update, but rather I will show you. So glue your eyes to the screen and without waiting anymore, let's get started. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.